Welcome to Nifty Trade Setup channel. So we'll discuss what happened yesterday on the market and what can be expect on Friday for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's see Nifty chart and what we had discussed. We said that if market opens to above 22,700, we can definitely look for buy opportunities, and the dip we can buy it, right? So market what it did, it was like kind of fluctuating longer time, and then it gave a breakout around this thing. Once it gave a breakout, and market gave a entry, and then it 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 gave around 60 points of the target from here. So this is what I could see it. Apart from that, I could see it is not a good target that we can exit. But on the expiry day, if we had kind of sold it 22 700 PE, then would have got a good thing, at least some. But at the end, it was since it happened at the end of the after half of our trading session is over, we may not have got a good premiums, but this was the only entry possible on expiry day. So coming to what we can expect on market is now it is kind of what market has given is that a triple top it has given. So we need to see whether it is more going to like kind of going to come down, and then see what is expected, right? So the thing is, if the market gaps down, or first thing is if above this one definitely is a buy. The first scenario, if there is a gap up above this whatever close that has happened 22,780, market is going to give very good this target actually. So could be 120 points from here. If it breaks this one, gap up happens, wait for a dip and reversal, and market will give easily 100 points above this one. That's the first scenario. Second scenario, if market gap up opens and comes and closes inside, we can go for short, and the target could be very high, till it might go to like 200 points easily, 20 to 500 it might give. This is a second scenario. Third scenario is that if market gap down or good gap down happens, we need to wait for at least 30 minutes for market to close it below, so that we can take see which side it takes. If it is a bouncing, if it could not close a 30-minute candle below this one, we can go for long. Market will come back and then may further break and go up actually. If a 30-minute candle closes below, then we can go for short. It is going to be 20 to 500 target coming immediately. So these are the few scenarios we have it for Nifty. So that is what I have kind of captured in my slide. So 60 points target or SL hit. It was like it was not a great day, but it was a decent trade that we got it on of expiry day. Expectation is gap of flat long about 22,780 100 points. On dip we can go on long on dip and reversal, and if rejected 22 near 22,780, go for short. So we can see a very good target of 200 points easily going down. And if it is a gap down, we have to wait for 22,600 breaking with the 30-minute candle, so that we can go for a short. Target could be 22,500. If there is a bounce near 22,600 without closing 30 minutes candle, go for long. We can get market coming back to the 22,780. This is what I could see it for Nifty. Let's see what we had discussed for Bank Nifty, and then how it perform and what is expected. So what we said is market, if it still looks to be sideways, so if there is a gap up opening, or gap down opening near these things, we can see a good trade. But market opened kind of close to middle, and it remained most of the trading session volatile, and it did not give much targets for for any trader, right? So it was like kind of a seller market for Bank Nifty as well. So most of the time it spent in this region, and only at the end of the day it gave a breakout, but which I think not possible to capture. So it was a clearly a sideways market whole day for Bank Nifty. So what can we expect from the market? It looks to be similar to what we had discussed, right? So for Nifty, above this one 22 49 50, above this one we can definitely look for buy option. But that is also like coming, if you look at a longer time frame, market is moving in a channel. So if you see for a day, it is moving in a different channel. you can see this is in the channel that is going up. Now it has almost come to the top of the channel, so we have to see if it is a gap up and breaks this in 1 hour, then we can continue to have a long thing. If you see if it is long after a gap up, if it get rejected and comes inside today's high, probably we can go for short. We can expect 250 points coming down till touching with the what do you say, this channel bottom. So this like comes together. So this channel, like 1 hour channel is going up and day channel is also going up, and it is at almost at the top of the channels, both the channels, which is like I'm expecting a gap. If a gap up happens, it could be here, which like get rejected. We can see market coming and touching the bottom like this channel on the 1 hour channel is what I could see the trade. So we can wait and see how the market opens. Based on the wicket can take a call. So as I said, if it breaks this one, we need to wait and see if it is getting rejected from the top of the channel, or if it gap down happens, we have to see if it is if it is opening here below near this channel bottom. We have to see if there is a bounce, we can go for long, and market coming on touching again at the top. So this is what I could see. Second trade, first scenario, gap up, wait for 1 hour candle breaking this channel, both the channels, so that we can go for long, or if it gets rejected and comes inside, go for short, and we can expect market coming down and touching this bottom of the channel. If there is a gap down, we have to wait and see if it is kind of closing below this one 30-minute channel, 30-minute candle closing below, or gets bouncing. If it is bouncing, we can go for long again, market will come back. It looks almost similar to the what we have it in a Nifty, but only difference is this is clearly traveling in the channels. So this is additional information we have for Bank Nifty. Hope you are seeing the value of this. And as is we are doing it, you can like this video and then you can share with your friends for their trading purpose. Thanks for watching this video.